Hi, my name's Kyle Timmerman. I'm a professor in the Department of Kinesiology, Nutrition, and Health. What inspired me to get into this field, I was actually an undergraduate student here, and I was in many majors, which I would not recommend to folks. I was in biology, exercise science, psychology, and I think I was in all of this because I really enjoyed just the learning experience. I enjoyed being a student. And what I started to realize is I enjoyed what that person at the front of the classroom was doing. I loved how they taught. I loved the different varieties of how they taught. When I took an exercise physiology class in the department here with Dr. Ron Cox, that's when I really fell in love with the idea of becoming a professor. I enjoyed how he taught, and the content was really interesting to me. It was kind of a culmination of all the biology and chemistry courses that I took. And it was at that time I was also getting involved in research with Dr. David Wilson of the Wilson Mallory Center in the biology department. And those two things, I saw what my professors were doing in front of the classroom, and I loved that just teaching. It's like, I want to do what that person's doing. And then I really enjoyed the research process. I was doing neuroscience research with Dr. Wilson and his graduate students as an undergraduate student, and just fell in love with it. I was like, this is the lifestyle for me. And then when I got to help out in some of the biology labs as an undergraduate assistant and got to help mentor some of the other undergraduate students, that's when I really decided, yes, this is absolutely what I want to do. My favorite classes, I would say, are exercise physiology and exercise prescription for clinical populations. Two pieces of advice I would like to give students are: take ownership of your learning and become engaged.